In the heart of Indonesia, buffalo farming begins the journey of modern meat.
Each buffalo is carefully guided into controlled holding before transport begins.
Every animal is inspected for health before entering the supply chain.
The controlled loading process ensures safe and efficient transport.
The journey continues across national infrastructure networks.
The journey continues across national infrastructure networks.
The processing plant marks the beginning of industrial transformation. Strict control ensures full traceability of every shipment. Inside the yard, preparation for unloading begins immediately. The buffalo enter the facility, beginning the transformation process. At the receiving docks, every truck is positioned with precision for controlled unloading. Hydraulic systems prepare the seamless transfer of livestock. The transition from transport to facility begins with controlled release.
Each buffalo is guided gently into the controlled facility pathway. Automated corridors regulate the movement of livestock inside the plant. Each buffalo is precisely weighed for production tracking.
Digital tracking ensures full traceability from farm to facility. The buffalo are temporarily stabilized before processing begins.
A final health verification ensures quality and safety standards.
The animals move toward the sanitation and cleaning stage.
Every surface is thoroughly cleaned using automated wash systems.
High-powered airflow removes remaining moisture before processing. The system transitions livestock into the core processing facility. Multi-layer security ensures controlled access into production zones.
Inside, the scale of industrial meat processing becomes visible.
Guidance systems direct precise movement through the facility.
Before processing, animals are organized into controlled lanes.
The sorting chamber prepares for the next phase of processing.
The sorting chamber analyzes each buffalo with precision automation. Artificial intelligence categorizes livestock for optimized processing flow. Automated gates separate flow into precise processing channels.
A controlled spray system prepares surfaces for hygienic processing. Mechanical brushing ensures complete surface preparation. Final visual inspection confirms readiness for processing flow.
Flow control systems regulate production efficiency in real time. Precision gates synchronize movement through processing stages. Automated conveyors begin transporting through core processing lines. The heart of the facility reveals a fully synchronized production system.
The buffalo enters the primary processing line, where transformation begins.
Precision restraint systems ensure controlled and safe handling.
Every step follows strict industrial welfare and safety standards.
Automated conveyors transport materials into the processing core. Robotic systems prepare for precise industrial cutting operations. Automated systems divide material into standardized production segments.
Temperature-controlled tunnels stabilize the production flow.
Continuous inspection ensures consistent industrial quality standards.
Smart divergent systems route products into specialized processing paths.
The core processing hall operates as a fully synchronized industrial ecosystem.
The transformation stage begins as materials enter advanced processing systems.
Controlled thermal systems stabilize product structure for refinement.
Moisture balance systems ensure optimal consistency and quality.
Refinement rollers ensure uniform structural consistency.
Steam-assisted systems enhance controlled industrial transformation. Advanced scanners verify structural integrity in real time. Automation systems refine each segment with industrial precision. Cooling stabilization locks in the refined structural quality.
Multiple production streams converge into unified processing flow. The transformation stage completes as products enter advanced automation systems. At the core of the plant, digital systems orchestrate every stage in real time.
Artificial intelligence synchronizes every machine across the facility.
Robotic systems execute synchronized industrial precision at scale.
Sensors continuously adapt the system for maximum efficiency.
Instant feedback loops maintain optimal industrial precision. Smart conveyors regulate flow with adaptive precision.
Predictive systems ensure uninterrupted industrial operation.
Energy systems optimize efficiency across the entire facility. Automated safety protocols maintain industrial stability at all times.
The entire plant operates as a single intelligent industrial organism.
The finishing stage begins as refined output enters precision processing lines. Precision robotics calibrate every cut with industrial accuracy.
Grading systems separate output into precise quality categories.
Optical scanners verify uniform quality in real time. Refinement systems ensure uniform final industrial consistency. Thermal stabilization locks in final structural integrity.
Human expertise and AI systems verify final production quality. All refined outputs merge into a unified finishing stream.
The finishing line completes as products enter packaging preparation. Every product enters quality control through a fully traceable registration system. In the lab, strict microbial safety testing begins immediately. Automated systems analyze every sample with scientific precision. Real-time validation confirms full compliance with safety standards. Environmental stability is verified under controlled laboratory conditions. Official certification confirms readiness for final distribution. Full traceability ensures every step is permanently recorded. Chemical testing ensures complete regulatory safety compliance.
Final audit confirms complete safety and quality assurance.
The final stage begins as industrial packaging systems activate.
Each product is sealed under strict industrial preservation standards.
Every package receives complete traceability and identification.
Final weight verification ensures absolute consistency in every unit. Automated systems prepare cartons for industrial distribution.
Every package receives complete traceability and identification. Robotic stacking organizes finished goods into storage-ready pallets. Cold storage preserves product integrity before global distribution.
Dispatch operations prepare shipments for global delivery.
From this facility, distribution begins across national and global networks. And this is how modern factories produce Indonesian buffalo processing products from start to finish.